Good morning, boys and girls. Guess what today is? Party, 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 party Friday. I hope all is well. I would like to thank all our parents for being patient and working with us this week and in the last week because we have kids who's working at home and we have kids who are working in a classroom. So this morning I'm going to try to do it without no distractions. Even though y'all should already know how to do this, but I just wanted to give y'all at home some one-on-one time since I missed our live view on yesterday, and I think y'all did catch some of it, but it was just so much going on in the class. But give us a little while. We're going to work through this, and we're going to get it better. I promise. I promise. So let's start with our calendar. I'm going to talk for group 1 and group 2. So remember, group 1, you're going to write your paragraph. And if I get a chance, I email a copy on how it should look. But if not, don't hold it towards the heart, just hold it towards the mind. I'm going to try to make a little to-do list of things I need to do. But I'm going to also spell out and talk you through it. So let's begin. Okay, so the month is September. And remember, Miss Alexis was teaching y'all about nouns and pronouns. September have to be capitalized, guys, because it's a month. So that would be considered a proper noun, okay? So let's spell it September. September. The month is September. Today's date is 2/5/25. You can spell it out. If you can, with some help, you can spell it out or you can write the number. We're going to accept both for quarter 1. But for quarter 2, we're going to have to up it because y'all are so smart. We are so proud of y'all. The year is 2020. So you're going to write 2020, right? The number 25 is an odd number. Odd number. I'm going to write odd for y'all. O-D-D. We're going to go to the next slide. Okay, for group 2, we're going to circle what is the weather like. For group 1, you're going to write, is it stormy by y'all? It's not stormy by school, so I don't think so. Is it sunny by y'all? At school it is sunny, so I'm going to circle it. Is it foggy? Not over here. Is it foggy at your home? What about windy? Y'all hear the wind outside? What about partly sky? Partly sunny, is it? No. So you're going to write sunny. S-U-N-N if you're doing your paragraph, okay? And our season, remember on Tuesday, it became fall. So that means we're going to start seeing the leaves, colors change on the tree, and they're going to start falling down. And we're going to have some things where maybe we play hide and seek. We'll put in some of your sight words or spelling words behind leaves. And you got to find it. Or maybe you can make a collage with the different leaves that you find in your neighborhood. We'll talk about that later, but that's just a couple of ideas that went across my mind. I have to ask Miss Alexis about it though, okay? So we'll see. What's next? What is the temperature? Is it cool? No, Miss B, it's not cool. Is it cold? Cold was first, see? Trying to see if y'all paying attention. No, it wasn't cold. And no, it's not cool. Look at Miss B sweating. Y'all sweating? Probably not. Because y'all in that air condition, I know. Is it warm? If you go outside, it's warm. So I'm going to circle warm for group 2. But if you're writing your paragraph, remember you're going to write warm. You're going to write the temperature is warm. Don't forget your period, okay? Group 1, we don't ask y'all what y'all wearing, but group 2, we ask y'all. Everyone have to wear a shirt, right? Wear a circle shirt. We're not going to wear jackets right now, but on the news, they say we're going to have a cold front. We'll see. What about sweaters? Not quite yet. But shorts, yeah, if y'all at home or have uniform shorts, y'all can wear shorts and pants, of course. Remember group 1, this is for group 2, you don't have to write this. But group 2 and group 1 are going to do this one. What was yesterday? Was yesterday Sunday? No, Miss B, that's the beginning of the week. Monday? No. Tuesday? Hump Wednesday? No. Thursday? Yes, Miss B, yesterday was Thursday. Group 2 is going to circle it. Group 1 is going to write it. Remember, your T have to be capitalized. Capital T, HURSDAY. Let's go to the next slide. What is today, guys? It is Party Friday. Group 2 is going to circle it. Group 1 is going to write it. Remember, today have to be capitalized as that's the beginning of a sentence. It's Friday, and your F must be capitalized. Not sure if we're going to call y'all or if y'all going to call in to do your spelling words. This week we're going to do the same spelling words for 2 weeks. We're going to try that this time. But if you're ready, give Miss Alexis a call, and between everything that's going on at school, we promise we'll give y'all some time and we could do y'all spelling words with y'all, okay? Let's go to the next slide. What is tomorrow, guys? Oh, yes. Tomorrow is Saturday. You get to sleep in late. You may have to help mommy wash some clothes or do some chores around the house. We'll watch some cartoons. Saturday. We're going to circle it. And remember, going to capitalize your S. Your sentence is going to be, tomorrow will be Saturday. Don't forget your period. Kindergartens. How many days have kindergartens been at school? Kindergarten's been in school 27 days. 2, write your 2, and a 7. If you're doing your paragraph, or if you're in group 2 and you're first through 4th, we've been in school 30 days. 3, 0. Okay? Let's go to the next slide. How many classmates we have? Group 1, y'all not doing this, but how many classmates for group 2? We have 11. Today is an even number or odd number. Group 1, you already did yours before, but for group 2, you're going to circle odd, or you can trace odd. We would like both. O, D, D. And for group 2, remember, we are on, today is the 25th, so we're going to go, this is 10, and this is 10. You can color it, or you can put a line down like Miss B. We're going to come over here to our ones, and we're going to need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you could circle it. 5. So, I hope y'all have a great morning. Like I said, sorry we couldn't go live, but we did go live, but it was a lot of distraction. So I wanted to come in a little early today just for y'all to be able to hear. But I know y'all already know how to do this. Again, thank y'all for working with us. We're going to work out all the little kinks. And we love y'all. We miss y'all's air hugs. Kiss your brain. Have an awesome day. Talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.